What's up, everyone? First time video. Thought I would start making videos, sharing, make a channel for what I do. It's kind of like restoration, sandblast, paint, old things, a little bit of everything. Won't maybe be just like one certain thing we'll work on, just kind of a random thing on this channel. So, kind of instance. Customer's old Ford tractor, wiring harness caught fire, burnt tractor all up. Tractor still runs. Have to completely disassemble and repaint back factory. First, we're going to do is take it apart and pressure wash it and degrease it, because there is just caked on grease everywhere on this thing, and the sandblasting won't really get all that out, so we're going to have to chemically degrease it so it'll have a better bond after we sandblast to paint. Just kind of give you an idea. First time making videos, so quality probably will not be that great at first. Just stay tuned and we'll go back to the next steps. Alright, now we finally got it all tore down so we can pressure wash it. This is what we got to work with. All this old burnt grease and crud. Already got our solution all mixed up. We're going to shoot it through our foam cannon. Got everything mixed up like we want. Just got to get all this degreased. So we are going to remove the tank, but we're going to pressure wash it first, get all the stuff off of it, and then go from there. Alright, I'm going to sit you on the tripod. Hopefully it will hold, because all I have is this tiny little thing right here. Okay, we got all the heavy grease off. Came off pretty good. It really helped if I had a hot water pressure washer, but use what you got. We're probably gonna degrease it one more time and let it soak way longer. Since all the thick stuff's gone, we have just the outer stuff on the metal now. See, it's a lot cleaner than it was. So we'll let it soak. And that's someone bush hogging for the noise. Yeah, we'll soak her down again. Let it sit. Maybe do it two or three more times and just let it sit. But yeah, I mean, you can see all that's come off. It's way better. And to catch you up again, why we do this. Everybody thinks sandblasting. Okay, well, sandblasting just takes everything off. Well, oil, you have grease or oil, say, packed into tight places, like there, or here, or everywhere, or like on me now. Sand will just knock it, it won't knock it out, it'll just pack. Just keep packing it in there, and just stick, and then it's just hard to get out. So, yeah. A little bit more work, but easier in the long run, trying to get all that unpacked grease, sand mixture, fun stuff out. So yeah, a little bit more to go, and then after that, it's supposed to rain today, but we'll come and jack the tractor up, pull the tires off of it, fenders off, everything else, and then after that we'll start sandblasting it. So, work in progress. Alright, well, we got about 98.3% grease off of this thing. After like 5 times of soaking it with degreaser, I think we're pretty good. Okay. And it doesn't look pretty, but there's no more grease or oil. It's all just a bunch of loveliness. Okay. And to go back on what we were talking about, why we're pressure washing all the grease off is, say we have all our grease packed in this little area. Well, you sandblast that, all your grease is just going to go there, or your sand is going to stick in your grease and just stay. So then you have just grease and sand all there, and you have to take your screwdriver and dig it out, and fun whatnot. So better take the time out and just pressure wash it and have it all clean, so you can just get it all sandy again. And then that's another process. Alright. Hey everyone. Kind of skipped some steps on y'all. We already sandblasted the tractor. Primed it. Did the rims. They've been painted. Clear coated. Reason why is there's been nothing but rain here for like the past month. So, finally had a good day and got it all done. And now it's like 500 degrees out here. So it cools off a little bit, and we'll start painting. I'll try to get a video for that. Alright everyone, fixing to paint the tractor. Got my paint all mixed up. Just using a HVLP gun. I think I said that. HVLP, yeah. Okay. It's not really a special gun. Just the one I use has got a 2.5 millimeter tip. Just so whenever I shoot the thick primers and stuff on trailers and tractors, I don't have a problem going through it. I don't have to use so much thinner. And we're going to do this as Ford Blue. So it's going back Ford Blue. The paint's got a hardener with it. So I'm going to record some of me painting it, but it'll take a long time to paint, so I didn't think anybody would want to watch the entire thing. I'll do the start, and then I'll show after it's done. Thanks. Smoky. Killing mosquitoes now. It's all painted up, put together. Looks nice. Clutch is kind of sticking, so that's what he's messing with. Looks good. Need the front end loader put on. We're gonna drive it around a little more maybe.